and gentlemen, boys and girls, right about now, we're there. I'm about to link up with Pink and Nice right now. Nice just text me. It's a new day. Say don't do it's a new vlog. When we reach that camera, link up with them. One move. We're there. Read CT. My beard can't even fit in my mask. I'm tired. All now I'm not sleep from morning. We're reaching this morning around 4 o'clock. Reaching this morning. Now we're there CT. I think we're there look fireworks. I think we find some. Boy, Pink find them. What find them now? I love you. Yes, I'll be a sparkler. Look. Yeah. So once again, Pink go to the door and come back. Look at the man bring back gunshot of BOR one of them there. We had it nice kind of bag, you know, I can't remember. We are smoke to the name. To the one there. Right.
No, what me I get to them, I know when I say one nice. I mean, don't know me I get.
You know I get already. Yeah, when me saw me I get.
I don't see the pretzel
Sonic
stuff.
Cheeseburger. The one that look nice, right? That's so still.
What about chili cheese tots?
Bacon double cheese. Yeah, the one that. Oh my goodness.
This is what a fruit punch.
Fanta Miata, nice fruit punch.
Which one is that? Good looks. That's the Fanta.
Fanta.
Alright, man. How many straws we got? We need another straw.
We call deep Spanish straw. Yo, this. You want to know something? Well, watch that. Yo. Hold on there, man. This a 1 pound, this a quarter pound and 1 foot long. Me rotted. How me go tackle this here now?
This is the double.
How me go tackle this?
Where this one? Look, man. You have number 9. That chicken sandwich, then you have that one.
Boy. Hold on. You fries round you though.
I'm saying now, a famous one.
I don't know how me go tackle this though.
No, we don't cut up.
Right, let me see. Let me see what we can do to this. Yo, me I'm gonna messy after this. Put it. I'll be right back. You know, you have to make it burger come you have to add the fries to the burger. Don't roll it in and then cover it.
Yeah, the prices. But you know, we try to find them, bro.
This is a real burger. No beer trouble. So, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're there here. It's a no, it's a next day, but you see this out of the rain. Me da me yard, Pink, nice. Man, them link me and say them downstairs. Must get copyright for this. Somebody don't this or play Spanish music. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're here, and I be things are go on.
Are you gonna pass the river?
Pink having things them up there, so.
Are you gonna pass?
We going to go barbecue. What do you mean we are going to pass the river?
Nice, you can't swim. Bro, I got you.
Fun fact, Nice definitely cannot swim.
I don't want to walk.
Didn't mean to say it.
I tattooed.
Watch out. Look at me I walk. Side of it. And I slip as me. Ratty, that's so. Nice is a brat, guys. No, you say I never want none yesterday. I think you don't drink them. Yeah, me have a Smirnoff in my back pocket. I eat nice here and I talk. We are about to go grill right now. And see what I go. So wipe off the bench though. Nice, go back with towel. Yo, this heavy, you know. Oh, you know this. Me see all cheese. Me see cheese, me see burger. Me see breadfruit. Me see beer something go on in this.
Roast breadfruit, that's on Kanye, no.
Only should I bring you breadfruit for real? When I start trying to go, we up, so. Right there, so. Yo, the man never go hard. Yo.
I'm tell him, say, they have burger season in me yard, man. Don't believe me.
Yeah, you have a season?
That?
Yo.
Bro, I'll be a shell going in the kitchen.
Watch out. The man, they not joke, people. The man, they not joke. A big barbecue, man, you come here to keep. Kuya. Watch out. How bring this?
I mean, oh yeah. Yeah.
It's what
Why?
you don't eat love cake?
No. Eat it today, though. Consume it today, wow, eat. Why? Yeah, why man, them buy some more bread for dog? I try, you know. Yeah, man, them buy all 2 cake.
Nah, man, banana bread that, man.
Man, them buy a bread and a cake.
Banana bread, I go.
What you need for that? And cookie?
I'm like,
You see a nice come out here for do? You see a man come out here for do?
Y'all know how to do this.
And we alone out here nice.
This handy stuff, man.
Wait for it. Alright, come on forward now with the fire now.
but that she could just run it.
Yeah, just dash you up on there.
And then up on your weight.
Yeah.
From country,
So we can. We should have hold on.
I want to put one something on that.
No man, if you put the file something underneath it.
I pay for that
Yeah,
one.
but that what I like.
And not this way I light.
Well, 5 people.
Trade. In a rate. The man still over there doing beard. When you're not done, I'm going to bring you in this one because some reindeer in there. And bears.
We don't want more cola now.
Bears and reindeer in there. Yeah, that go come do something like while though. And something you not going to do like while, you know.
Saved by the bell.
Actually, Porty here to work, man.
Do?
Porty, no Porty you come from.
Me not come from Porty, dog. Everybody come from Portland, you think come from Porty?
So no Portland name Portland, Porty.
Port Antonio, the capital of Portland.
So no same place.
No.
Somebody
You have
should
Buff
know.
Bay, you have
My bad.
Artil, you have...
Pink, what you do with that?
I think I'll fire that. Me not burn off my face.
Yo, see, rain a fire there.
You not say that? Rain, go
Bro, the light
away,
go fire.
go
Me not live until
Yo, we bring water.
Come about.
nice guy go in the truck.
What?
Everything there in the truck. Water there. I think water in it. What is it?
Look me a look one pipe,
I
one
guess.
pipe.
Red hot.
Yeah, man. Soak it paper in the middle. That must, that... Jesus Christ, it's heavy.
You have lighter?
You no bring lighter for your girl?
Bring the lighter, dog.
You no bring lighter for your girl?
You have matches?
Who know that mad if you no bring everything and no bring lighter? Food.
Yeah.
Rain, thunder, nice.
Here, Jaja, roll it under there.
I that. The man go fling in there. Yes, up.
Nah, guess what?
It wet.
You know wet.
Wait.
Sweet, you know? Yeah.
In this fire.
Yeah, trouble me.
Yo, we turn you up too much. Too much gas going there. No man, it's good man. We just want to call and catch. Once and catch, we good. You go feel foul?
People, you know what's the crazy part about all of this, watching these guys do this? I actually am a certified grill cook, and I worked at a country club for years. So you know I know how to do all of this.
Cut this out, time. Boy, no, if you grill for 2 people.
So this funny.
Me not sure I put on this yet. Yo, the boy catch on my beard. When close, yo, why you not doing to me? Come with half it, me face in one of them, suck me head dog.
Yo, brother.
This would I wet up my face with.
Yeah, but it that dead. I'll call it that, yo. I'll call it fire, bore fire.
Alright, so now wait till pink forward so we can wash me and then we deal with them. We have Yo, me say money go all out. That's a big people are coming.
Yo,
We alone now?
And by the ice. No ice there. Man, yo, I saw hot ginger here and I think I got
In by the ice? You think they might hear that?
Oh,
It must pick up on the camera.
probably
Thunder.
not.
A big thunder roll out there.
I like my whatever this is called.
Yes! Maybe I the fire too high. Yo, the file paper are burn.
Yo,
Hey! Jesus Christ! Watch out!
big. How can I eat that? It is the man come by.
Yo, people, 5 paper burn now. Now put it back in my frame. We don't have regular file paper though.
Wow.
Yeah, regular file paper this. We have to use regular file paper. No, it depends on this. Let me see.
That's not file paper.
Oh, no, my regular file paper. This is. Yo, the fire burn out the whole of the file paper. File sheet. Fire up one of them right now. Literally fire up one of them. The fire too high.
And that can make it better, yeah?
This one. Sonic burger now. No, yo, me smell the seasoning a kick already, you know that. Think of him bread ready, you know, man.
You can't ask that. You can't ask that.
Have him bread ready, you know, man. That's this one, yeah.
The plane.
Instagram in the phone, oh, lucky. You just make a snap so you might tag it up. Ready though? Funny, good. That's all me want to hear, you know. That's all me want to hear, you know. That's all me want to see. Alright? Me have to take it bun up this one, it must cook. My logic that. So when I just want comb beard and video. I want to do a comb beard and video. Awesome. Ketchup.
Done already.
Think done already. It's better than Sonic. I bring some mayonnaise.
And then
Mayonnaise. The bomb
that nigga catch. That nigga catch that task.
You got man now step in wall and make ketchup, man.
Look, you had one job. He had one job. One job.
Pour the ketchup in your bread.
So look, nothing no land for.
in your bread. Pour ketchup in your bread. You go, man.
My bad, bro.
You have one job.
And I can't help you out, bro.
Oh, you have to help me out. You can't help me out. Me no want to help me. Wipe off my own and crotches.
You have one job.
Yo. Damn, bro.
One job. Well, on there, there's no psh. Take twice. Well, on there, well, on nice. Wait. Ah! I got it. You tell you, man. See, you know.
Must catch our blood pressure.
Pan burger. I wouldn't find out youth here.
Don't put it on the burger, you know. Be rafted.
I eat that here.
Don't put more up on that, because I feel like you're afraid, you know.
Sizzling. That madman, man. No, there's no fire now.
Yes. Me I go close on him and I fire up his thing close and me go.
Where beer there?
Yo, right now, the fire ya blaze. Fire ya blaze, you know, man. These are going upon them, you know, so you know it's serious, you know. You know it's serious.
Famous. Motion. Bam! Oh shit.
Yeah, missy.
Oh shit. And nice, I'm looking at that. Stop looking at the burger, man. You. Are you look over here for the burger? Nice, you got one job, bro.
Come take them out.
You got. What kind of plastic? Could I swim here? She said, fair, man.
Yeah, yeah, me. You know, me don't know nobody today, you know somebody at barbecue. Alright, just come out. Yo.
You know, said, the bird can't live for fair now.
Just some ketchup, they need some mayonnaise, but we don't have mayonnaise out there. Shall I put your seasoning in now? But I think the seasoning nice. So. Wonder that is. One deer up on there, so. You have one little baby. Yo, go for him. Go for him. We are going to hunt him. We are going to hunt him. You have one little baby in the way over there, so. Santa reindeer, that one. Yo! Yo.
He just will probably run away. He out. He galloping. Damn. But I run away from you, see my pull a U-turn, you see?
I father that dog. You father there, you know. Here. We're here. We there. We barely full, you know. Remember, we just done consume.
Wait.
Pink there, so. The garbage pan, the dung here, so. See, it's not dung here, so garbage pan, you know.
I don't know why he put himself in this impossible.
And nice. Pink say, I'm gonna make it. Watch your Michael Phelps. You think I swim, I'm gonna swim. You think I swim, I'm gonna swim.
People don't watch
Come
this.
on, Phelps.
People don't watch this. Watch it.
Yo, tapping that. You're tapping that, man. Wait.
And it was at this moment.
Oh my gosh!
What you run and shame. Look how far I'm going to go pick up your ball. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going home. The cookout has been finished. Rain is just coming down now.
See, watch my runway, watch my runway, watch my runway.
And dear, they done this.
Not in a rain though.
I just want some blessings and respect to you for forward and support yet our next vlog. Remember to do like and do leave a comment because some of you want to talk. When I talk to you, you talk to me in the comment section. Come read them. Don't you read them nice?
Yeah, I read them all the time.
Alright.
All the time.
Yes. If I even say big up my G's, you know me appreciate that lick your don't like cold bag lick your sorry them man. Like almost me kill you. Jesus. Pink did make one eye shot in a last.
You know what I mean?
He did make it. I can't lie, I'm not gonna lie to you, know. We never catch it because we done my footage because it makes so much.
There's no evidence of it, it never happened. It happened.
Yeah.
If there's no evidence, it never happened.
Rain forward and the cold bag heavy. So, blessings and respect again. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. And do leave a comment.
Do all of that. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend and the other friend tell them friend. So, remember, I say everybody can watch it, even the grandmother. Remember that.
Which cloud?
Yeah,
man. The cloud are pretty. Yeah, man, it's beautiful.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it in a